I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Blinkit app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you so list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here, so then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. So in here you're looking for Blinkit app, or just click on search, then here add Blinkit app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You just click here on for stop here, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.